Here's a step-by-step guide to restarting the Windows Search Service using Task Manager. Open Task Manager. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Locate Windows Explorer. In the Task Manager window, navigate to the Processes tab. Scroll through the list of processes and locate Windows Explorer. Restart Windows Explorer. Right-click on Windows Explorer. From the context menu, select Restart. This action will refresh the Windows Explorer process, which also includes the Windows Search functionality. By restarting the Windows Explorer process, which includes the search functionality, you may potentially resolve issues related to the Windows 10 search bar not working or responding.